Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are well. Children, today we are going to start chapter 4 more about Tux Paint. So, Tux Paint is a computer program which is used for drawing as well as coloring. Do you know this program is specially designed for the children? Now, children, can you see this picture on the screen? Can you guess what is it? This is a penguin in Tux Paint. This penguin helps you to know about different tools. Children, this picture you can see this is called Tux Paint window. Now, how to start Tux Paint? Step 1. Double click on the Tux Paint icon. Click on Start button, All Program, then Tux Paint. Some more. Tux Paint is named after Tux the penguin, the mascot of the Linux operating system. The white space is like your drawing sheet where you can draw and paint. This is called the canvas area. The different options like paint, stamp, lines, shapes and eraser are grouped together in the toolbar. Depending on the selected tool, the selector shows different items. Example, when the paintbrush tool is selected, it shows the various brushes available. This is the color palette. You can select different colors and color your drawing just like in the color box. Next is New Tool. This tool is used to create a blank drawing area. You can choose to start a new picture using a solid background, color or using a starter image. To create a new drawing, follow these steps. To open a solid background, step 1. Click the new button. As you click on it, it shows different background. Step 2. Select the solid background to draw a new picture. To open starter image, step 1. Click new button and scroll the page. You will see different starter images. Step 2. Choose any starter image and double click. The selected image will open. Some more starter images are like your coloring book. Children, next we are going to learn about the next tool, that is Paint tool. This tool is used to draw freehand shapes. Let us draw a picture on the canvas area using the brush tool with different colors. Step 1. Choose a solid background to draw an image on. Step 2. Click the brush or paint button. Step 3. Choose any brush in the selector on the right. Step 4. Choose the color from the color palette. Step 5. Hold the mouse and start to draw a picture on the canvas area. Next is Fill tool. This tool is available as a sub-tool of the Paint tool. It lets you fill color in your drawing. Step 1. Open a starter image to color it. Step 2. Click the Magic tool. Step 3. Scroll down the sub-tools and click the Fill tool. Step 4. Choose a color from the color palette and fill color inside the image. Next tool is Erasing a picture. Step 1. Click the Erase button. Step 2. Select the eraser size or shape from the selector. Step 3. Hold the mouse button and start erasing your mistake. Saving a picture. The Save tool saves your drawing. Tux Paint saves the picture in the following way. It doesn't ask you for a file name or location. It simply saves the picture by a single click of the Save button. When you click the Save button, a camera shutter sound is produced. If you have saved the picture before but you made some changes, then you will first be asked whether you want to replace the picture or not. Next is printing a picture. This button prints your picture. When you click print button, you get a printer dialog. Click yes, print it tab to print the picture. Next is quitting TuxPaint. This button closes the TuxPaint window. You will first be prompted as to whether you really want to quit. If you choose to quit and you haven't saved the current picture, you will first be asked if you wish to save it. Children, as you know that we have started the chapter 4, that is more on TuxPaint, and today we are going to start the exercise of this chapter. So let's begin this exercise with multiple choice question. So here is the first question. Number 1. A TuxPaint is a drawing tool, spreadsheet software, word processing software, or none of these. So as I told you that a TuxPaint is a drawing tool, so the right answer is A. Next is a shape can be rotated. In TuxPaint we can rotate the shape into what? Any angle up to 360 degree, up to 160 degree, up to 320 degree, or none of above. So the right answer is A. We can rotate the shape on any angle up to 360 degree. Now let's come to the question 3, that is, which of the following effect is used to wiggle any picture side to side? So the options are noise, waves, grass, or foam, and the right answer is waves. Fourth is TuxPaint have more than how many effects? 85 magical effects, 50 magical effects, 100 magical effects, or none of above. So in TuxPaint there are 85 magical effects. Now question 5 is, which of the following tool is used to erase the unwanted part of a drawing? So as I told you in the video, so we use what? Shapes, eraser, new, or none of these. So we use eraser to erase the unwanted part of a drawing. Now question 6 is, how many options of background colors are available in TuxPaint? So there are how many options? 50, 85, 47, 49. The right answer is 47. Now the second question is, fill in the blanks. So the first question is, TuxPaint is a software which is used for. I told you in the video that we use TuxPaint for what? We use TuxPaint for drawing and coloring. Okay, question 2 is, dash tool is used to draw various polygonal shapes. So we use shape tool, in which we have different kinds of shapes. Question number 3 is, dash tool is used to open a new file in TuxPaint. So we use which option? We use new tool. Question number 4 is, dash effect allows you to draw a rainbow in your drawing. So for drawing a rainbow we use magic tool or magic effect. Question 5 is, the wavelets effect allows you to dash your picture up and down. So to move the picture up and down is called wiggle. Question number 6 is, dash effect is a mixture of white, grey, maroon and blue dots. So the answer is noise effect. Children, in next class we will do the question answers. As you know that we have completed MCQs and fill in the blanks of chapter 4, more on TuxPaint. Now today we are going to solve the question answers of the same chapter. The first question is, what is TuxPaint? The answer is Tux Paint is a combination of different magical effects as well as paint, brush, shapes and beautiful color options which is used to make our drawing more beautiful and attractive. Okay, question 2 is name the different shapes you can draw using shape tools. The answer is shape tool allows to draw different filled and unfilled polygonal shapes. So means by using shape tool we can draw different filled or unfilled polygonal shapes. Question 3 is what steps should be taken to use the grass effect in your drawing? So in Tux Paint we can use different effects, magical effects. So first is grass effect. So for following the grass effects we have to use the given steps. Step 1, open a new file with white background. Step 2, select magic tool, then grass magical effect. Step 3, draw some grass at the bottom of the screen. Question 4 is what do you understand by magic effects? So here we have to explain what the magic effect is. Answer is Tux Paint includes a number of filters and special effects which can be applied to a drawing such as blurring, fading and making the picture look beautiful. These are available through the magic tool and known as magic effects. Okay, now the question number 5 is your friend want to give foam effect in his or her drawing. Suggest him or her appropriate steps to use this tool. Answer is the steps are as follows. Step 1, open a new file with any color in background. Step 2, select magic tool and pick foam effect. Step 3, draw some foam where you want to draw in your drawing. Question number 6 is what steps should be taken to use wavelets effect in your drawing? The answer is follow the given steps. Step 1, open a new file with white background. Step 2, draw any picture in the drawing area. Step 3, select magic tool from the toolbox and pick the wavelet effect from the subtool box. Thank you. Have a nice day.